name's Matt Basden. I'm a repair expert at Fitzpatrick. I live in Newark, Delaware, and I was hired in 2018. What I like best about my job is just being able to help people, because I realize that it's their home, it's not just a house. My favorite hobbies are going to the gym. I like working out, and I love watching my Philly sports teams. Coming from West Philly, it's just bred into you that you can't like anybody else. My biggest achievement has to be buying my first house. Just bought one a few months ago with the girlfriend, and I like it. My favorite charity has to be the SPCA, just because I love animals and I'm a full believer in adopt, don't shop.